Math is one of the most hard and complicated modules there is. It contains a lot of the calculations, the higher level calculations, sin, cos, tan, and the reverse of them, floor, seal. Those are the ones we're going over today though. So, let's import the module. Now we could import it as a different name. We could put it as M for easy calculations. We're not going to. That's something that very optional. It's usually only used for readability. Now, let's draw a floor. How math.floor works is it will take whatever number you put in, no matter what standard rounding rules say, and just takes it down to the nearest integer. Let's try 2.7. 2.7 by standard rounding rules should go up to 3. But it doesn't, because it's not floor, so we'll take it down to 2. Now, how many times is this useful? Well, it's good for like a game, if you're doing damage calculations and you don't want to deal with rounding errors. Well, let's try math.seal. Seal works much the same. The fact that it just takes it up one notch. Now, so let's try 2.3. Standard rounding rules say it should go down to 2. But if we're using seal, it'll go up. Let's check. Up to 3. Now, this is extremely useful for certain calculations, such as blocking data. In computers, data is stored in individual blocks of data sizes. When you're storing data, you don't want to half fill a block and then fill it with another. That leads to corrupted data. You can imagine it like ice cream containers. You don't want to put the chocolate nut pistachio along with the mint chocolate chip. That'll mix them up and make them bad. So you're going to want separate containers, separate blocks for data. So you would use a ceiling function to figure out how many blocks you will need in that data download. You can see this on your own devices. You'll see a bit of spare space, but you can't utilize that spare space. That's why devices might have 2 gigabytes of spare space, but 1.5 of them is just spare space inside blocks. So you can't actually use that spare space. And that is the ceiling function in basic terms. It's just, you wouldn't want to mix stuff that shouldn't be mixed. It's a ceiling function to your own box. Right? Thank you for watching. I do hope you have a good day. Learn something.